Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in the Valora Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Valora application and then log into your wallet using your biometrics or your PIN. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now from the home page, in order to change your name, simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and then from the menu page tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, you will find the Edit Profile button at the very top. Simply tap on it and now you will find an option to change your name or set it up if you haven't done it before. Simply tap on the box and then type in your name that you want to change to, and then type in the name that you want to set. Then simply tap on the Save button and your name will be saved on your Valora profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Valora application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.